Lucius, what are you doing? Are you playing in Samson's cage?
Newt, stop.
Okay, so Lucius, how do you like that cage? Is that lots of fun? Do you want one just like it? Do you want a cage just like that? Do you want to learn how to stand up better? What you doing? Oh, you have to shut the door, huh? Stepping carefully over. There you go! You're in the cage. Say hi! Say hi to everybody! Uh-oh. Are you saying hi? What do you have? Is it one of the many pieces of dog fur that Samson's tracked in the house? Alright, Lucius, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.